Hello everyone, our today's topic is 3D calligraphy. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black microtip pen, scissor or a cutter, tracing paper, 1/4 side drawing paper or a drawing book. First we are going to draw on a sentence what we required. For that I am drawing on one horizontal line and take 6 centimeter distance to draw on another horizontal line, and in between these both the lines we are going to draw on a sentence what we required. I am write down my name here, Sachin, in a bold letter. For the width of the font I am taking 1 centimeter distance, and in between each alphabet we are taking 0.5 centimeter distance. Now my name is Sachin, so I am write down Sachin, and now here I am write down the A. For each alphabets we taking 4 centimeter distance width. Now we are taking a center and take 1 centimeter distance in between this 4 centimeter and draw an A, because we have to draw on a cross line for that. And another alphabets like SCHIN all are in a straight vertical lines, but only difference in A that it has on a cross lines on both the sides, and for that we have to take on the middle of the 4 centimeter, and then we are going to draw on A. Now here write down on a I, and finally I am write down on a N. Now this is Sachin, we are going to draw. Now take 0.5 centimeter distance two times for thicker this sentence in a cross direction. For that you have to take a 60-degree angle in a scale and draw cross lines and follow all the ends of the sentence and alphabets in a cross direction to bold this thicker this sentence. You can see here how I thicker all the fonts in a cross direction. Everywhere you have to take same angle, 60-degree angle, so that you can easily draw on a cross angle boldness to the sentence. You have to just follow the lines till the 1.5 centimeter distance line, and then join these lines. Now finally we full name Sachin thicker with these lines. Now take on a tracing paper and trace full name Sachin. Now from the back side of the tracing paper, shaded all the surface with a darkened pencil on the lower side of the 1.5 centimeter. Again we are going to draw one slipping line. On this line you have to trace this name Sachin and shaded this name Sachin with the 2B pencil, so that you can differentiate the upper sentence and a lower sentence. Like you write on a Sachin here, you have to write my full name, surname More on the lower side and erase unnecessary all reference lines to start coloring. First we are going to apply an off-white color to the main name Sachin More because lights come from the upper sides. That's why full name has a white shade, but I'm not taking a white color, I'm taking an off-white color because already paper are on a white in shade, and if you apply on a pure white color you can't differentiate your application and the shade of the paper. That's why I'm taking slight amount of blue color to add in a white, and then this off-white color we apply on a Sachin More name. Now the shade part is on the right hand side part. That's why all the right hand side part we apply on a darker color of the blue, and for that I am taking on a Persian blue color. Directly Persian blue color I am applying here for the darker tone on a full name Sachin More. Like we fill up this S and A, remaining alphabets also we fill up with this dark tone so that we can get on a proper dimension. Here we can see on the name Sachin we fill up on a dark tone on the right hand side part Sachin, and now we start applying on a dark tone on a More. Here also same way we fill up dark tone on the right hand side part, and you can see we got some partially a dimension on a name Sachin More. After applying on a dark tone we apply on a middle tone on the lower side, and for that I am taking on a middle tone of the blue by adding on a white color in a Persian blue. This is in a middle tone of the blue. All the lower sides of the name we fill up this tone. Now on the rounded part, the curve part, it has a gradation of the dark blue and middle blue. For that we have to mix these both the colors with the water and show a gradation of the dark blue and the middle blue. You can see how properly we have going to mix these both the colors. That's why I'm using a poster color, because this is easier for you to show gradation in a poster colors. Otherwise you can use color pencils or the oil pastels also for showing this kind of gradation, but this is difficult in watercolor, acrylic or oil colors, so that it's easier for you to use on a poster colors or other mediums like pencils or charcoal or oil pastels to show on a gradation. Also, if you use a small size of brush like 1, 2 or 3 number brush to showing on a gradation, it's easier for you to show on a gradation. After applying on a middle tone on a S, the remaining fonts like A, H, I, N, the lower surface of the middle tone is a plane, so that it's easier for you to apply a middle tone, and like that you have to apply remaining fonts with a middle tone Sachin More with gradation and a plain tone. After applying on a light, middle and dark tone on a Sachin More, now we apply on a black color on a trace name Sachin More, so that it gets on a shadow of the Sachin More, and for that I am taking a pure black poster color. You can see the lower surface of this all the fonts which is we seen on the lower side of this 3D name, that only parts we fill up with a black color, and that's why it gets on a dimension. This is a shadow of the Sachin More which we showing on a full name Sachin More. And then finally when we complete this all the black color shadow, now we showing on a cutting part, and we are taking 1.5 centimeter distance from the upper side and draw one line for the cutting from the initial of the S. We taking an 1 centimeter distance to cut the paper, and very carefully we are going to cut on the fonts which are outside of these lines. For that you can use a cutter or the scissor. Now these lines we are going to cut it, and the upper part of these lines, whatever fonts are there, we are going to cut it. Very carefully you have to cut it. If you are not comfortable with the cutter, you can use scissor for that, because sometimes if you don't able to handle the cutter properly, it can damage your fonts and also you can hurt. Now you can see how we cut on a Sachin. In the same way we cut on a More also with same measurement and the same way. And if you are not comfortable with the cutter, you can use scissor to cut these fonts and name. Like here, I write down my name and cut it in a 3D form. You can also write down your name or any slogan or any symbol to show in a 3D calligraphy forms. And for that you just need to understand on a basic calligraphy, the distance of the fonts and the sentence in between the each fonts and each sentence you need to take same distance. Also the size of the font also you have to take it in the same way, and then with the proper color scheme you have to cut all the fonts and the name properly, and then you can get a 3D calligraphy. You need to understand how to cut it properly. Now this both the Sachin More you have to stick it on any color paper to show on a 3D calligraphy. So practice this with this demonstration and enjoy a new way of the calligraphy. Thank you. Best of luck.